Respected panelists and dear audience, thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you, DA, for this. I represent here Association of Muslim Professionals. There's a founder president of this organization. Legally, it's an NGO, but for all of us, for me, for my team members, it's our passion, it's our family. We have started AMP way back in 2007, end of 2007, by Orkut. There was a social networking site, Orkut, in which we started the community. Within 3 months, we called the meeting of the people connected with us on Orkut, and around 35-40 people gathered in April 2008. And from there on, we started connecting more and more people and started doing something for the community, for the nation. It's a group of highly educated Indian Muslim youth which is spread across India, alhamdulillah. When we started in Bombay, at the same time our work started in Pune, Bangalore and a few other cities of India, and that was possible only because of the social media, the Orkut, and later on it was Facebook and other networking sites. These are the there are so many projects which we run across India, out of which few are the flagship projects, and all these projects are somewhere or other related with the social media online presence. Like for example, we have resource center in which we do research on important items like scholarship, government jobs, admission process, and we send those information to educational institutes across India with the help of our coordinators over there. For example, we have one AMP Zakat Fund with which this year we have given scholarships to 100 students for higher and technical education, plus we have provided financial support to more than around 40 people this year, which was completely, the fund was completely generated online. We have got funds from unknown people. We have got funds from our members. It was 20 lakh rupees this year, and we hope that next year it will be around 1 crore rupees by with the trend which we are following since last 3 years in this project. We have career counseling cell, which is again completely online. We have got number like professionals, the people working in different corporates. They do counseling for young students. Counseling, guidance and mentorship. We have so many other projects I cannot explain within the 3 minutes. So most of them are completely run on the social media or the online, like internet.
Right.
Reach or about the AMP reach, I just wanted to mention about that. Currently we have more than 60 chapters, official chapters of AMP across India, which are spread around 20 different states. We have around 2,000 active volunteers right now with AMP, which are working on these educational and economical empowerment projects. We have these volunteers are spread across 125 different districts of India. We hope that by another 2-3 years, we will be able to reach all around 700 districts in India. If you see online presence, we have around 60,000 members present on Facebook and around 25,000 members on our Google groups, and all of them have joined on their own. Like, we don't have any sponsors, we don't have any marketing agency behind that, we don't do advertisement for that. It's just with the concept, people have started joining this. Just one minute. Uniqueness and impact. Like we maintain central repository for our presentations, video materials, which can be used by anyone across India. So that's one thing. AMP has been a trendsetter for many youth organizations, especially among the Muslim community. There are so many Muslim organizations have come up in states like Manipur, Kashmir, Nagaland, in the remotest area. Like we operate even in Kerala and Kashmir. So this is benefits, like we have given job support to more than 10,000 youth in last 2.5 years, and from this year onward, we believe that this was mostly concentrated in Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Gujarat, and now it will be replicated all over India. The basic feature of all AMP projects are that they are very cost effective, they are non-event oriented, they are scalable, we can replicate the things. We try to make designs as that it can be replicated anywhere in India. So these are few points which we can present in 3 minutes. I hope that the future, the organization is of Muslim professionals, a community which is educationally very backward, as all of you know that. Among that community, bringing out something like this is a very revolutionary step, as we believe that. We hope that with the help of people like all of you and the organization like DAF will be even excelling a lot in coming days. Thank you so much.